Hey, it's Justin from HubSpot's marketing team. I'm going to give you 10 blogging tips from HubSpot's business blogging strategy course. Ready? Let's go. 1. Make it a point to expand your guest blogging portfolio. The first inbound link you receive from a website will be the most valuable from an SEO perspective. 2. If you want to grow your blog's presence, then you need to manage your content library. This could mean pruning underperforming content from time to time to ensure the overall health of your website. 3. When writing a blog post, save writing the introduction and conclusion until after you've written the post or you have a solid architecture. 4. Think critically about your inbound link building efforts. If you want an educational page on your website to rank, then build links to it. 5. Bolding important text can help readers quickly understand the key takeaways from a post. Don't go overboard though, because if everything is bold, nothing will stand out. 6. When creating an author bio, don't go over the top with jargon, buzzwords, or acronyms in your title. For example, calling yourself a content wizard could have your audience rolling their eyes. 7. Google typically displays 50 to 60 characters of a title tag. Make it a best practice to keep it under or within this limit. 8. Consider inserting passive CTAs through hyperlink text near the top of your posts. HubSpot did a study and found that these links produce the highest click-through rates. 9. It takes a lot of time to create a valuable piece of educational content. An efficient way of getting the most out of your guest blogging efforts is to first create an educational piece of content on your own website, then repurpose and package it to provide new value and meaning for somebody else. 10. It can take time to source high-quality guest blog opportunities. Once you land one, do everything you can to create a strong relationship with your contact. If you like this video, give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. And if you're someone who wants to learn more about building a blogging strategy for your business, then click this link. Thanks for watching.